Hi there! In my previous video, I mentioned Forensic is available for free. There are two versions of it. The free version includes an advertising banner. The Ignite version allows artists to open other Ignite plugins to fix issues such as missing materials and XREFs. Nice one, guys! It's used extensively by 3D artists to run on new scenes to check and fix issues quickly before commencing work. You will also find Forensic MAXScript available to fast-track common tasks. This can scan entire directories and folders and fix issues across multiple scenes using our Batch MAXScript tool. I'll discuss this at the end of this vid. Okay, let's take a look. I'll first load up a typical building scene that may have been imported into 3ds Max. I'll open Forensic from the top menu or toolbar. The plugin is split into two tabs across the top: Scene Information and Modifiers. If this is the first time using Forensic, you may see everything is grayed out, except for CAD blocks. Don't worry, just click the CAD blocks arrow to remove them and unlock every section. Next, run the scan and review the results. Starting in the top roll-up, Scene Information. This displays a snapshot of your scene information. Next, Scene Contents. Displays a list of total scene content, including third-party plugins and file formats. Next, Problematic Items. The list displays things that may be problematic to your 3ds Max scene. Pay attention to this section, as some of these items may have performance issues on your scene. Check if your scene has motion clips, animation layers, or retimers. These occasionally get imported with BIM models and need deleting. If your scene includes XREFs, then follow the same removal process on these files as well. Next roll-up, Linked Items. Lists any linked files such as AutoCAD, Revit, and XREFs. Unused Items roll-up. Lists items missing or no longer required in your scene. If you see files are missing, the fastest way to relink everything is to use the Unite plugin included in the Ignite collection. 3ds Max Viruses. If 3ds Max viruses are in your scene, they will show here. Click the X to remove. To activate the automatic virus protection, go to the top menu SINi drop-down menu and click on SINi Add Virus Callback. This will automatically try and remove any viruses upon opening the 3D scene. User Information. User information tells you who the last artist to save the 3D scene was. Progress. The progress bar shows the status of the inspection. Right. Jumping over to the Modifier tab. This allows you to access all scene modifiers at the same time. First, run the scan to identify. The Modify list displays all the modifiers in the scene. This does not include objects with modifiers in XREF scenes. Double-click the selected modifier to select all the scene objects it is applied to. Then use the tools below to turn on or off, remove them, or collapse the stack. Lastly, as mentioned earlier, Forensic can be used as a batch process as well. I'll quickly show you how to clean up a series of files autonomously. Huh, you might ask? I mean, it'll allow me to crack on with other things while it processes everything on its own. Let me show you. Open Batch. Then load in your folder or files and add the cleaner MAXScript. Click Process. It'll now load each scene, run the script, and save it. We've been told by some clients they've run this on hundreds of thousands of files, so give it a whirl. That's it for Forensic. In my next video, I'll discuss Scribe, which focuses on 2D spline work. Thanks for watching!